What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play No Pulse by XXXTentacion. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is pretty easy. It starts with a capo on the first fret. It's in standard tuning. You're only using 4 different chords, and if you need the diagrams, jump in the description below. There's a free ebook there called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's a great resource for all of you guys. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so after the video is done, jump into the description, get the free ebook, or I will throat punch you. You're starting with an A minor chord. It's going to be 002210. Then an F major, you're going to want to play this one with your thumb on the low E on your first fret, and it's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, and then I'm just muting the high E here. C major is next, 032010. And then finally G major, you can just play it just 320000, or you can play it 320003. Either way, it's up to you, but this is the G chord. It's the final chord. Now you can strum through these chords just repeatedly. It just repeats throughout the entire song. I will show you a little picking pattern that's close. This song is all wacky and out of shit, so it's kind of like out of tune, but not really. This is about as close as you're going to get to the actual picking part. You're starting with your A minor. You're picking A string, D string, B string. So A, D, B. Then you're going to go to your F chord, and you're going to pick the low E, D, G. Then you're going to go to your C chord, and you're going to pick A, D, G. And then to your G chord, and you're going to pick E, A, D. So all together, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.